If a man grabs you from behind or charges full force, you have less than 3 seconds before his power crushes you, unless you hit one of these 10 hidden nerves. One strike and his legs disappear, he drops helpless. These biological off switches are banned for a reason. Today, you discover every single one. These strikes can cause severe injury, permanent damage, or death. This is for educational awareness only. Never practice or use them without expert supervision and legal understanding. Nerve 10, sciatic nerve. A sharp knee, heavy stomp, or downward elbow slammed into the back of the thigh, mid-hamstring sweet spot, crushes the sciatic nerve, the largest, longest, and most powerful nerve in the body. Biology exposed. Massive compression sends a lightning bolt of electric shock screaming down the entire leg, instantly triggering violent muscle spasms, sudden numbness, and temporary paralysis in the hamstrings, calves, and foot muscles. The leg gives out, no warning, no control. The attacker buckles forward, drops hard to one knee, or collapses completely, unable to bear weight. Professionals almost never teach this openly because one bad hit can cause long-term sciatica, chronic pain, or permanent foot drop. This single devastating crush turns a raging opponent into a limping, helpless wreck in seconds. Nerve 9, femoral nerve, front thigh strike. A powerful shin kick, rising knee lift, or downward elbow driven straight into the front of the thigh, just above the knee, targets the femoral nerve, the main power line for the quadriceps. Biology exposed. The femoral nerve controls leg extension and hip flexion. Hit it hard, and the quad muscles lock up or go completely limp, causing the leg to give out instantly with no warning. Pain explodes up to the hip and groin, hip flexors fail, and the attacker's knee buckles forward like it was cut. The leg collapses under body weight, dropping him forward, sideways, or straight down. Standing becomes impossible in that moment. Professionals rarely teach this openly because one solid hit can cause long-term femoral neuropathy, chronic weakness, or even temporary paralysis. This front thigh strike deletes leg power and balance in one brutal, unforgiving connection. It works through jeans or thick pants. The nerve sits close enough to the surface for focused impact. This is biology turning strength into sudden, helpless failure. Nerve 8, common peroneal. Nerve, a low side kick, sharp chop, or knee slammed into the outer knee, just below the fibular head, about a hand's width above the knee. Compresses the common peroneal nerve, one of the most exposed and vulnerable nerves in the leg. Biology exposed. The sudden overload disrupts the nerve that controls foot lift and ankle stability, causing immediate foot drop. The foot slaps the ground uselessly, the leg gives way outward, and the attacker falls sideways or stumbles forward like his leg was cut. No warning, no control. Balance vanishes in an instant. Professionals rarely highlight this openly because one solid hit can cause permanent peroneal neuropathy, chronic foot drop, or long-term numbness. This outer knee nerve is a silent, devastating leg killer that turns even the strongest opponents into stumbling wrecks. It works through jeans or thick pants. The nerve sits close to the bone with almost no padding. This is biology at its most ruthless. One precise strike, and gravity does the rest. Nerve 7, tibial nerve. Drive a knee, heavy stomp, or heel kick deep into the inner calf, back of the lower leg along the tibial line, to crush the tibial nerve, the critical nerve powering foot push-off and ankle control. Biology exposed. The compression shocks plantar flexion, causing the calf and foot muscles to spasm violently or go numb. Ankle stability fails completely, and the leg folds inward like it was snapped. Pain shoots up the leg like fire. The attacker buckles toward the center, often grabbing the leg in agony, unable to support weight or push off. Rarely emphasized in training because of high risk of long-term tibial neuropathy, chronic weakness, or foot drop. This inner calf strike makes standing feel like walking on broken glass. It penetrates thick clothing easily. The nerve runs deep but is vulnerable to focused blunt force. This is ugly, unforgiving biology. One hit, and the leg betrays its owner completely. Nerve 6, popliteal nerve, back of knee strike. A heel kick, straight knee thrust, or stomp directly to the back of the knee. Popliteal fossa, the soft hollow behind the joint, compresses the popliteal nerve bundle, the nerve hub controlling leg extension and knee stability. Biology breakdown. Sudden overload causes leg extension failure. The knee buckles forward violently, and the entire lower body collapses like the support was ripped away. Balance lost instantly. The attacker drops hard to the ground, often unable to rise without clutching the knee. Professionals avoid teaching this openly because of high risk of ligament tears, nerve damage, or chronic instability. This back knee nerve is a standing eraser in close range. It works through pants or gear. The fossa is soft and exposed. This is raw biology turning a strong stance into sudden, helpless collapse. Nerve 4. Obturator nerve, inner groin crush. An upward knee, sharp kick, or deep thumb press driven into the inner groin/adductor area targets the obturator nerve, the hidden nerve powering inner thigh adduction and hip stability. Biology exposed. Nerve shock paralyzes the adductor muscles instantly. Hip adduction fails completely. Legs spread uncontrollably or give way sideways, and standing becomes impossible as the pelvis loses control. Pain explodes through the groin and pelvis like fire. The attacker buckles inward or drops hard, while shattered by sudden vulnerability. Banned everywhere for its sheer viciousness. This inner groin nerve strike deletes balance and fight spirit in one devastating hit. It penetrates clothing easily. The nerve is deep but accessible to precise upward force. This is biology at its most unforgiving. One strike, and the body's foundation crumbles. Nerve 3, L4 to L5, nerve roots, lower back strike. A hard punch, rising knee or sharp elbow driven into the lower back, just above the hips along the lumbar spine line, shocks the L4 to L5 nerve roots, the critical exit points for leg motor signals. Biology revealed, compression disrupts nerve transmission to the quadriceps, hamstrings, and hip flexors. Legs feel heavy and unresponsive within seconds. They buckle under body weight and collapse follows. Pain radiates down both legs like electricity, making movement feel impossible. Rarely discussed openly due to high risk of spinal injury, disc damage, or chronic leg weakness, this lower back nerve hit turns strong, powerful legs into useless jelly. It works through clothing. The area is vulnerable even with a belt or jacket. The attacker often staggers backward, hands reaching for support that isn't there. This is biology overriding strength completely. Nerve 2, sacral plexus pressure. A knee, heel kick, or downward elbow slammed into the sacrum/tailbone region compresses the sacral plexus, the massive nerve network that controls both legs, glutes, and pelvic stability. Biology hack. Massive shock radiates to both legs at once. Glute and hamstring control vanishes completely. Pelvic stability fails, and the attacker drops backward or sideways, unable to rise or even crawl effectively. Pain shoots through the lower spine and hips like fire. Legs go numb or spasm uncontrollably. Forbidden for high risk of sacral fracture, nerve damage, or permanent mobility loss. This sacral strike erases standing from both legs simultaneously. It penetrates clothing. The sacrum is bony but exposed to downward force. The attacker often curls up in agony, unable to straighten. This is biology turning the body's core into sudden, total failure. Nerve 1, bilateral sciatic overload. In extreme desperation, grip both backs of the thighs or strike them simultaneously. Sciatic nerves bilaterally, with knees, elbows, or stomps. Ultimate biology shutdown, double nerve overload floods the system with unbearable pain signals, both legs spasm and paralyze together. Full lower body failure hits instantly. The attacker collapses to the ground with no recovery possible. Legs lock or go limp, balance erased, will broken by the overwhelming shock. Highest risk, highest reward in life or death situations. This forbidden double crush deletes standing ability completely and ends any ground or standing threat. It works even if he's wearing thick pants. The nerves are deep, but vulnerable to bilateral force. The pain is so intense